How to transfer USDT from Binance to Trust Wallet. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to Binance or simply open the app and then simply go to your assets. So simply click on assets and then simply click on withdraw. Now the next step is to simply search for USDT. So we're gonna use USDT for this tutorial and then simply select address. Now what you're gonna have to do is simply enter your USDT address from Trust Wallet. So I already made a tutorial about how you can get your address from Trust Wallet. So if you want to check that out, make sure to go to my channel. Now, after you get your USDT address from Trust, you're gonna have to simply paste the address here, select the network, and then simply choose and enter the amount of USDT that you want to transfer to Trust Wallet, and that's it basically. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.